Hey guys, today what we're gonna doing it's another episode of Dancing with the Stars, dog version. Just put it down, put it down. Dog version. Today Lucas is back, and he's going to be dancing with Baby. So, Baby is a very small dog. She's 2 years old, and that's all I know. And she's cute. She's a girl, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's get started. Grab Baby. Oh, and instead of dancing to the tango music, we're gonna do something different this time because we're doing hip hop Spanish. So it's very different from what you guys normally hear from my dog versions. So let's just get started. Be careful. I know.
She's kicking me.
Yeah.
We're not gonna die.
Don't get her so scared for the thing. Don't put too much of that. Ready?
They're like little puppies that look like mine. Okay.
Cogiendo los toros, dando corriente, la para se siente de quilla, lo que tu mujer me da vidilla, yo la explota, como una pitilla de quilla, lo que tu mujer me da vidilla de quilla, lo que tu mujer me da vidilla de quilla, yo la explota, como una vidilla, yo la explota, como una vidilla.
Ready? Go, go. Hurry up. Ah! She's stuck. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Wait, down. Go, hurry, no, pick her up to do this.
Perfect. No, don't say, Luke, do this. Luke. You're the one that he did to Lucy.
Okay, guys, the song cut off, so I guess that's it. Chelsea.
Why?
Chelsea, when I say give a round of applause, you start clapping really loud. Okay, so everybody give a round of applause for Baby.
Yay!
Okay, and we're gonna be back with another episode of Dancing with the Stars.
This dog gave me pink eye.
Well, we might be dancing with this dog, but we're trying to
Probably tomorrow morning.
Probably not. We're trying to get this dog to get in the spirit. It's a very serious dog. Sorry for Dallas getting in the video, but I really hope you like it. If you have a dog like this, or even as cute as this, give a comment down below. And make sure you subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Okay, guys, hope you guys like this video, and bye.